Hi everybody, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of not downloading on the application of ChatGPT. We click on settings, and here in this page you can go to apps, default apps, app settings. In this list you can go to ChatGPT and you will click. Here in this page of app info you can click on first stop and you can click OK. Then you will enter to the window of storage. Here you can click on clear cache. Then you can go to Play Store. You will search about ChatGPT. Here you can update your app in this blue sign. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video and thank you for your attention.